You don't have an oven but you want to bake a cake at the comfort of your home. No wahala. Today I'm showing you how to bake a soft and fluffy cake without using an oven. Just your stove top and pot. First off, I mix my dry ingredients together and set aside. In a clean bowl, I added half cup of butter and half cup of sugar and started mixing them anti-clockwise direction. As you can see, the butter I used is yellow in color. You make sure to mix it very well so that it will be pale in color. I added 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract into the mixture and poured into eggs. Mix it and you have something like this. Don't panic, you're on the right track. I went ahead to add the dry ingredients I mixed earlier. Mix it very well to combine the batter with the flour. At this point, the cake batter is strong and I decided to add in milk so as to loosen it a bit. You have to make sure not to overmix at this point so that your cake won't come out strong. I used 1/4 cup of milk for this recipe so as to get a smooth cake batter. I'm going to be leaving the list of ingredients in the description below. Now for the baking part, I grabbed a pot, poured in some, placed a metal stand in it and allow it to preheat for about 15 minutes. While it was preheating, I went ahead to grease our pan. This is the best way to grease your pan to avoid the cake sticking on the pan. If you don't have parchment paper, you can use this method. Now it's time to pour in the cake batter. I gently poured in my cake batter and tapped the pan gently so as to remove air bubbles from the cake. I placed the pan into the preheated pot and closed tightly. After baking for 1 hour on a low heat, check the middle with a clean knife, and if it comes out clean, just know that it's ready. Always bake on a low heat and cover your pot tightly to avoid burning. This cake rose very well. It smelled so good and the texture was very fluffy. If you watch up to this point, you own my heart. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes, and leave a comment if you are going to be trying this method. I remain your one and only host, Chioma's Kitchen Diary. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.